Hello, folks. This is Chef Kazi, and today I'm going to show you how to make easy coffee cake. It's very easy recipe. I'm going to bake two cakes in one pan. Okay, the pan I'm using it will be foil tray. Look at this. This is the deep foil tray, and what we need here for two cakes. Okay, here I got 4 cups of all-purpose flour shifted, 2 bar of cream cheese, 4 teaspoon of baking powder, 6 large eggs, cup of Crisco oil, cup of milk, and here is the 3 cup of sugar. That's all I need. Okay, if you have a dry cranberry, you can put some. I might have some. Let me see. Yeah, I got some cranberry. So I'm going to put half cup of cranberry. Okay, that's all. So let's start. First I did the eggs, then I put the cream cheese. You can put other way around, is no harm. I'm putting the half of the sugar now. Let's chop up the sugar. Crisco oil. Tablespoon of vanilla. This is one of the best vanilla from my country, Guyana, and we produce the best vanilla essence. So now slowly I'm adding the flour. So slow down the speed of the machine. So I'm adding the milk in between. Beautiful. So this cake going to the place I'm going for Ramadan iftar today. So I'm going to donate them this cake and they'll sell it. They'll cut it pieces and their job, they'll do it. Now add some dry cranberry. Okay folks, so I'm done. Now I'm going to put in the pan. Okay, so here you go. So I put it for 50 minutes and it will be done nice crispy on the top. And then what I'm going to use for the icing, that's all I'm using it. Oh, I brought the wrong one. Okay, now for the icing, I'm going to use this Philadelphia chocolate cream cheese. When it's done, I spread on the top. That's it. Simple as that. And this always works for me. Okay, so we'll be back in 50 minutes. For icing, I'm using this chocolate cream cheese. I just open up and spread on the top. Oh, someone already did open. And this always works, folks. So we'll be back in 50 minutes. Folks, let me tell you something. At my work, when I deal with the chocolate and egg white, is not easy. Okay. Besides, I'm working the place is one of the high-end steakhouse. I'm running that show since 97, almost 29 years, right? And I'm getting old. I'll be 70 in month of April. So I'm planning to retire now. What do you folks think? Just let me know your opinion. Man, I like to go for tour. My best place will be from Toronto to Vancouver with a train, for a week or 2 weeks. I love the train journey. And then we'll see. I have a plan to go Guyana. I have an existing house in my mother-in-law house. I don't have to spend money. Just all I have to do, buy groceries, catch fish, fresh produce, and that's all. So I might have some fresh video from there for you guys. Just let me know, folks, what do you think? Put your comment below, folks. Here you go. This is the coffee cake is done. I'm not going to cut it. I'll take it to the place and they will cut themselves for their own charity. Okay. So folks, if you like this cake, bake it and enjoy with a coffee or tea. Hi folks. I saved my head today. Okay, so place we are going today, already you see the cake. Now I'm going to make a smoothie for me. Let me show you. So my vegetable smoothie, I'm using 2 celery stick, 1 raw beets, half carrots, 1 avocado, 1 banana, and 2 kiwi fruits, 4 pieces of dates. Then I got tomato juice here, few tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and half cup of sunflower seed. That's it. So folks, look at this. So folks, ice with here, I put on the top is the cream cheese and chocolate mix. There you go. This will be one of the best one for sure. So this is the chocolate cream cheese coffee cake. Folks, if you like this video, please subscribe. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, support me by hit the like button, press the bell button, share the video, and I see you in next video.